Hi guys, so today we will be dividing monomials using quotient rule. There you go. This is the quotient rule and I'm going to derive the formula for you. For example, let's use the base 3. Let me see if okay, good. So 3 to the 4th power divided by 3 to the 2nd power. Let's figure it out. 3 to the 4th power is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And then 3 to the 2nd power is 3 times 3. I see 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom, so I can reduce my fraction. I see 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom, so I'm reducing the fraction again. The only thing I have left is 3 times 3, and this is 9, and 9 is 3 to the 2nd power. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell you that when we divide the exponents that have the same bases, you see 3 is the same base. All we have to do, we have to subtract the powers. So to figure this out, I'm gonna copy it again. We have to leave that base alone and then subtract the bottom from the top. 3 to the 2nd power is the answer. And in this case, it's 9 again. Maybe this is not a very good problem though. Let me do the base 5. 5 to the 3rd power divided by 5 to the 2nd power. So 5 times 5 times 5 on the top and 5 times 5 on the bottom. 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom, bye-bye. 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom, bye-bye. The answer is 5, which is 5 to the 1st power. And we could do it different way using that power rule. So 5 to the 3rd power, 5 to the 2nd power. All we have to do, we have to subtract 2 from 3. So it's 3 minus 2, it's 5 to the 1st power, which is 5. So from that, we're going to do the general case. So when you have x to the a power and then x to the b power on the bottom, we have to subtract b from a minus b. Okay, so this is the formula that we're going to use today. And I'm going to go over a couple of problems and then you're on your own, and then you have to do the homework as well. So you will receive 2 grades, homework and classwork and homework grade. So now the worksheets that you will be working on is this worksheet. And then this is the back of that worksheet. And then this is the homework. Okay, and then I will post those as well for the people that don't have it. Now I'm going to go over a couple of problems and you'll be ready to go. All right, let's do problem number 2. So it is k to the 2nd power over k to the 12th power over k to the 2nd power. Something is going on with my phone. Okay, let me see if I can do anything with this. Just goes blurry. Okay, I see something. So the answer is k 12 minus 2, and then it equals k to the 10th power. I'm going to go over number 5. p to the 7th power, q to the 16th power over p to the 4th power, q to the 12th power. So p, 7 minus 4, because we are dividing. So when we're dividing the exponents, we have to subtract their powers. 16 minus 12. So the final answer is p to the 3rd power, q to the 4th power. Okay, now I'm going to go over number 8. 14r squared s to the second power over 7rs. Coefficients. We see coefficients in front of the variables, so we have to divide them. So we're not subtracting them, we're dividing. We are reducing the fraction. So 14 divided by 7 is 2. R, which power? I see 2 right here. R, and when you see no power, it means 1. So it's r to the first power. So it's 2 minus 1, s to the power 2 minus 1. So the final answer is 2r to the first power, s to the first power, which is 2rs. Okay, so I'm going to show you the whole solution. Now I'm going to go over number 10 for you. Negative 15 x to the 6th power y to the 5th power z over negative 3x to the 5th power y to the 3rd power. So I do see that both coefficients are negative, so negative divided by negative is going to be positive, positive 5.